Welcome back to the 3D Creator channel. In this episode, I'm going to do another multicolor 3D print. And it will be, I'm going to attempt to do this Cybertruck. Okay, that'll be fine. So, let's see if I can figure this out. So what colors do we have? We have white, black, red, gray. Do I want to do just 4 colors? White, black, red, gray? Do I have only one gray? I'm thinking if I have a lighter and a darker gray, that might be a way to go. But I think I only have one gray. So I think it'll probably be a good effect anyway if I just do white, black, red, and gray. Okay. So let's see what we got. So black is going to be the lowest. So 1 is going to be black, gray, hopefully, next, red, and white. Did I have a bit of the... Yeah, so the semi will be my control for gray. Obviously the Roadster, my control for red. And this guy, my control for white. Okay. So hopefully hopefully nothing. I'll just see what it does. Question is the gray higher or is the red higher? We'll see how that plays out on the Cybertruck itself. So hopefully some of it, these like this, obviously these white reflections will come in for the white, and you know maybe these green ones will show up as red, and that'll be fine. It'll look like autumn with the leaves being red instead of oh, they're yellow. It already looks like autumn. Weird. Of course, they're probably in like California here. Okay, all right, we're sliced. We're sliced. All right, only show one layer. Layer. So that's going to be because even if whatever I told it, I think it's doing yeah, I think it's doing white is highest no matter what I want to do. So those are obviously highlights, and where are they? Okay, the white lines on the pavement. Yeah, yeah. So this is white, white, white. And at some point we get, all right, do we get the semi first or do we get the Roadster first? Looks like we get the semi first. Yeah. Okay, so it's going to go white on top, and then it's going to go gray, and then it's going red, and then it's going black. Should not the pavement be... Oh no, what did I say? Black, then gray, then red? Did I already try to mess it up? Black, then gray, then red. Yeah. But the red is ending at 8. And the gray... Oh, that was infill. Ah, that confused me. That's why that confused me. So gray is ending at like 17. And then white spots. Okay, okay. So gray is going to 17. So I have the order wrong, I think, here. Yeah, I think I misunderstood. Because I think the infill threw me off. That's basically what happened. Okay, so So 1, 2, 3 is black. And then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is red. Where's 9? Or that's 10. Is that the quad and the handlebar? Yeah, okay, so that's the quad and the handlebar, so that's gray. That's the quad seat. Alright, so 7. I'm going to say 7 is the end of red. 7 is the end of red. And so it's 4 to 7 is red. And then so it must be 8 to 17 is gray. And then 18 on is white, right? So 4 to 7 is red, 8 to 17 is gray. So then 8 to 17 is gray. And then all this is white. I wish I could set it to change the colors by layers as if it's going to show up. But I think it's going to work out. So black is 1 to 3. So here's black, black, black. Oops. This is the last layer of black. And so now everything that's not covered here is going to be black. And then 4, 5, 6, 7 is red. 4, 5, 6, 7 is red. Now anything that disappears now will have been red. Okay. We'll see how it comes out. And then 8 to 17 is going to be gray. So this is gray, 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 gray. So that's all. So everything that disappears right now is gray. And some below it. And then that's going to, the rest of this is white. So it could be pretty cool. And also, the layers underneath should also change the tint of each color somewhat. I was thinking about that. I was thinking about even doing an exercise to see how accurately I could tune them. So, alright. So this basically ends the slice portion. And so if you enjoy this, be sure to hit the thumbs up so it'll help other people get it if you like. Plenty of views, and no reason to not click the thumbs up unless you actively don't want other people to find it. Please consider subscribing and share with your social media friends, and comment, ask any questions or requests. If there's anything you want to see printed in multicolors, let me know. And so stay tuned for the next episode in this mini series here to 3D print the Cybertruck in 4-color. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Okay, just a funny addendum here. I said to myself, I think I need to give attribution to this image and see if I even have permission to use it. I got it off Wikipedia, and I just kind of assumed that it'd be okay for me to use it. And I said, I better check. And so I go on Wikipedia, and I click on the image again, and it says permission details, blah blah blah, and it says the license, and so it looks like I can use it as long as I give attribution. And so I copy and paste the thing, and I'm just going to paste it in and figure, okay, it's just legal mumbo jumbo. And first I was thinking, oh, interesting that the person was, can we use this on Wikipedia? And the guy says, yes, exclamation point. And I said, wow, he's pretty enthusiastic about, and that'd be kind of cool, I guess, to get your image on Wikipedia. And so, but then I read a little closer. It says, via Reddit, Saucy Legs 69420, are you okay with your image being used on Wikimedia Commons? And blah, blah, blah. And then the Cruzat, the photographer, says, yes. I mean, if somebody comes to me and their name is Saucy Legs 69420, like, Hey, can I? Hi, this is Saucy Leg 69420. Can I have one of your kidneys? I'd be like, yes. All right, I thought it was funny. Anyway, Saucy Leg 69420 could talk anybody into anything. I'm pretty sure. If anybody on Reddit could talk anybody into anything, it would be Saucy Leg 69420, and that's my take. Take it or leave it. Stay tuned. But that is some guerrilla marketing. Name yourself Saucy Leg 69420 to request things. It's probably some hairy, out of shape, 50-year-old. Oh crap! I just described myself. Oh well, wasn't me.